I got the chocolate. Today on Taste Test, we are trying April Fool's food pranks. Bobby and I here are gonna play rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to choose which of these they want to eat. And what's under these cloches?
There's one that has a treat, something delicious, and one that's a prank. And we're probably not gonna find it that delicious. I love April Fool's pranks, but not when I'm the one being pranked.
Either way, it's all in good fun. And
rock, paper, scissors, says shoot.
Oh, I know what kind of person you are. I already know what kind of person he is, just based on the first move. Rock, paper, scissors, says shoot. Ah! Okay. All right, so I get to choose. I'm gonna go with the blue one.
Okay, that's easy. It's right in front of you.
It's right in front of me, and I think that whatever is under this cloche is the true thing. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Yes. Comment below which one has the fake one, which one has the real one. It won't help me in this moment,
real-time
but it would be fun
Yeah.
to see if people get it right. I'll take blue, and you can take yellow.
Should we reveal?
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
They look exactly the same.
I have a guess on what's underneath one of them.
What do you think?
I think there's a Brussels sprout in our midst.
What?
I feel like this isn't an unshelled walnut.
It looks like, I don't know if they're gonna give you an, oh, you're not talking about just the shell. I think the chocolate is probably real. I think what's underneath the chocolate is probably
fake?
Might be fake. All right.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Mmm.
Oh,
I got the real one.
Mmm.
I got the chocolate.
it's a Brussels sprout. It's a real Brussels sprout.
You deserve that. I told you I know what kind of person you are.
Do you want one? It's kind of fun to bite into it, and then the Brussels sprout goes like,
Sure, why not?
it kind of denies you.
Oh yeah.
You bit through the Brussels sprout, bro.
It's actually better than I was expecting.
Okay, now I want to try it. I'll try it.
He's gonna try it.
I will. It's actually not bad.
Right? I was expecting that to be a lot worse. Food Network Kitchen, I'm coming for you.
All right.
All right, are you ready?
Yep. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Damn it.
Ah!
Rock, paper, scissors, says shoot. Yes!
So I'm gonna eat this one.
I'm going to pick the yellow one.
Let's see if you
One.
mastered it.
2, 3, go! Oh, they look the same.
Mine is definitely fake.
Wait a minute.
Mine is definitely fake because these crystals are way too
They're
big.
huge.
That looks
These
like
look all the same.
just like a natural coating of like sugar on what is that, like a sour?
What if it's salt?
Yours look a little bit more adulterated than mine.
They sure do.
Let's taste it to find out.
It's not making me happy.
Should we try the same flavor?
Yeah, let's go blue. Mine is definitely fake.
What is it?
Sea salt. I've got the salt. I can taste it.
I'm gonna go with the blue one. Oh! Crepe! That's sidewalk salt, dude. That's not.
Wait, what?
All right.
All right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors says shoot.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the yellow because I just want to go with the yellow.
Yeah.
This blue is like otherworldly.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna go with that. The otherworldly blue. Are you ready?
You're gonna take that one.
I'm gonna take that one, so. I'm gonna go across each other. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Ooh, I don't know about yours. Ooh.
Okay, so we're switching then because you chose that one, right?
Can we switch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I chose the blue one.
Oh no!
Wait a minute.
But wait,
The
look at
game
this
has
one.
changed.
This one looks a little wrinkly.
Do you have any guesses on what's inside?
Mushroom?
Oh.
Maybe. I'm thinking of something round.
Yeah.
All right. Good luck.
I hope it's not a rock. All right. Oh, geez, here we go.
Oh god. Oh. What is that?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm eating. Wait, hold on.
Oh!
Yes!
Wait, what is it? Is that cookie dough?
I think mine is cookie dough.
Wait, did I get the fake one?
No, there's something weird. There's meat.
Is that meat?
Is that meatball?
It's a meatball.
It's good.
Somehow I didn't taste it right away, and it crept up with me very fast.
I hate to see the look on the person who's
Oh,
like,
a
I'm gonna get Bobby with this great April Fool's. I'm gonna have a meatball and a cake pop. And then you're just like, is it fake? I don't know. I don't get it. Is it fake? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors says shoot. Okay.
I choose again?
You're very good at this.
Blue.
I'm gonna say, I think it was fun when we crossed, so I'm gonna choose this.
Okay, that was a great time.
Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
Mine is definitely something
Cocoa
weird.
Puffs.
All
right.
Oh,
Okay,
wait a minute. Those are
definitely
just
chickpeas.
these are chickpeas.
Those are definitely chickpeas.
Those are Cocoa Puffs.
I chose incorrectly.
All right, well, we know you're about to eat Cocoa Puffs. We don't know what I'm about to eat, but here we go.
Go ahead. You try it.
Cocoa Puffs, yeah?
Dude!
It's so bad. It's so bad.
They're not like crunchy, they're so chewy.
Oh my God.
I feel so bad for you right now. That is the worst. That's like hummus and chocolate and
God.
in milk.
This is worse than you can imagine because they look like they're covered in cocoa powder that it would be sweet, but it's unsweetened. It has a weird crunch. It has a horrible flavor, and I think you should try it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What is that?
I'm gonna be 100% honest. I don't know. You win.
Rock, paper, scissors,
says
says
shoot.
shoot.
What?
Shoot, I lose
This
4
is
out of
not
5
fair.
times. All
All
right.
right. Maybe I'll give this one to you. Your own fate
I'm doing this.
lies ahead of you.
I'm doing
Okay,
yellow.
we will see.
3,
2, 1.
Oh!
Oh, what's that? Is that like coffee?
So what could they be faking on this?
I don't know, the frosting smells real.
This smells
Cinnamon
real.
smells real.
We know it's supposed to
I'm
be a
already
cinnamon
changing
roll.
my mind. It smells savory.
Wait, let's
smells
see what this.
savory.
It smells sweet.
I'm just gonna take a bite.
I think mine's fake,
Mine's like,
but I'm not. It's like,
What is it? Spinach?
No, there are some more spices.
What?
but it's kind of salty. Yeah, this isn't
changed
right.
your Coke to Pepsi.
What is this? Oregano?
Olive tapenade.
It's olive tapenade. You know, I freaking hate olive tapenade, but it's covered in icing.
ooh, ooh. I mean, yeah, it smells like tapenade, but like you're looking at a cinnamon roll.
Would you like to try some?
I think I do want a piece of that because this tastes horrible.
Yeah, I feel bad.
You know, I was a little more anxious than I thought I was gonna be each time we tried something
Yeah.
after that meatball.
The meatball really crossed us.
How bad can this get? It can get chocolate enrobed turkey meatball bad.
Good job.
Thank you.
Fun,
Good
fun
job.
playing with you.
Are you gonna take any of these pranks to the streets? You gonna do it?
I might, but you know about karma, right? You've heard about karma.
I feel like I just experienced karma.
Yeah. So I don't know if I want to do that to myself.
Have you guys ever tried to prank your friends with food? If you have, tell us about it below in the comments. We want to hear what your ideas are. And don't forget to subscribe and watch more taste test videos. See you next time.
Bye.
Bobby's really excited to see what you guys do.